Hey y'all, we're back working on the FJR. I got this nifty Givi Maxia Maxia 4 case, and it holds a ton. The side cases hold a ton, but sometimes when I'm camping or grocery shopping, I need more room. I can't just strap this on. I had an old concourse I used, a bungee buddies, which are awesome, but they're hard to find now. And I went ahead and got me a luggage rack. And looks like it's gonna fit fine. There's a thing in there to guide you where to screw holes in. Hopefully I don't screw it up. It's good Givi quality. Let's give it a try and see what happens. Okay, it took me a minute to figure out, but you gotta unscrew some screws. If you look at the diagram on the package, somewhere in here, yeah, technically, of course, there's a diagram, and undo that, and then this cover should pop right off. We'll find out. Okay, the screws are out, and this piece came off, and that's how you change your cover if you buy a different type cover. So our next thing is to take the patterns that I cut out and make really sure I tape them in the right spot, and that tells me where to drill. Scary drilling into a $500 case, but we'll try it. Okay, it's on there. Fingers crossed I don't screw it up. Okay, I got that done, but just realized I guess we gotta screw through the top plate too. Back to the drawing board. Okay, y'all. Good news is it's on. Bad news is that bolt's not actually holding very well. It's kind of just holding. I don't know if I screwed something up or the hole is not the right size. I tried different bolts and none of them worked, so I'm guessing maybe they screwed up a little bit. I expect better from Givi because you pay a premium, but it's on there. It's pretty solid. The pattern, I should have just tossed it and drilled the holes where they go. And you got to drill, take the plates off here, these plates, and then drill holes in the bottom piece of this, and then put these back on, drill holes through them, and hope you didn't screw or drill the holes in the wrong spot because you were following the pattern, which I did. But look at that. I look like I'm ready to travel, don't I? It sits up awfully high. Holy cow. Starting to look like a gold wing here soon. The rack looks good. It's matches. It fits. A little disappointed though because it was such a pain. 5-minute job was a 3-hour job. Also, I figured out if I do get the LED lights, figured out how to install them. So I got that going for me. Yeah. Hopefully be putting miles on soon if the rains ever stop. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.